Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Evan, I'm a computer engineering student, and in today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside of my backpack. So to start things off, I'm going to show you the actual backpack that I'm using in order to go to class every single day and to go to work. So this right here is the Herschel Pop Quiz, all right? This is the small version. I think this is 27 liters or something like that. Don't quote me on that, I don't really know. So the reason that I really love this backpack, even though you see that it's a little bit bitten, like this thing right here is supposed to be white. It's not really white anymore. It is a kind of a yellowish color. So the main thing that I love about this is the size. This is the perfect size for me because when I go to class, I don't need to carry a lot of things inside of this one. And I just love the form factor that it has. It has this brown saddle leather, kind of fake leather thing at the bottom. What's the first thing that we're gonna see inside of my backpack? So let's just turn it this way and let's just start. So on the main compartment, there are just a couple of things that I would like to show you, all right? The very first one that I want to show you is my good old trusty laptop. This thing that I carry every single day with me is the MacBook Pro 13-inch from 2020, the Intel i7, 512 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is the thing that I'm using right now at the moment. So the main programs that I use are Sea Lion, Final Cut Pro, Visual Studio Code, Android Studio. I just mainly use it for video editing, for video scripting, like a lot of Notion. And yeah, sometimes it's just a little bit slow. So that's one of the reasons why I'm just looking out for the newer ones. So we're just gonna put this one on side. Oh, one of the things that I actually love doing is just writing down on paper, because I think that the ideas that you get on your head, even though you write them down on an iPad using an Apple Pencil or whatever, they're just not the same. Your mind is not in the same flow state, if you want to call it that. There's just some kind of magic in writing down on some piece of paper with a pen, with a real pen. So this is a notebook. I always carry around a notebook with me. It doesn't matter what brand it is. It just has to be a notebook like with real paper. And this is for my university, the Pontific University of Salamanca. So I just carry it around with me all the time. And as you can see, this one is not even started yet. So I'm very excited to do that today. I'm just actually going to use it as a journal just to get my ideas just flowing out of my head. So yeah, I'm very, very excited to use this one. So we're just going to put it on the side. The next thing inside of my backpack, let's see what it is. I'm going to show you this one, all right? This is my DJI pouch. This is the pouch that came with the microphone that I'm filming right now. Not this one, but the DJI Mic 2, which I'm going to show you right now. And this one is very, very convenient for me because inside of here, I use it not just to organize my microphones, but to carry my SSD with me. This is why I put my trusty good old Samsung T7 that I use almost on a everyday basis. This is the 1 terabyte option, and I use this mainly for editing video and to store all of the videos that I do on this YouTube channel and for clients and projects and whatever. And with this thing, it is pretty fast. It is 1 gigabytes per second. I don't really know the specs, but I do know that there are faster options that I could take a look into. So yeah, this is the one that I'm using right now, but maybe I'm gonna upgrade it. And with this one, I also carry with me a USB-C cable that came with the SSD. This is the one that I use. So USB-C to USB-C, I don't have to carry around dongles or anything. This is the Kindle. This is the Kindle Paperwhite with the, I don't know what you call it, the light option that came. This is pretty old, to be honest. I bought it like 4 years ago, but I didn't really see the point of buying another one, a newer one, just because they're just the same. So this is a very good option in case you like reading books on the go and you don't want to carry a physical book with you. So yeah, we're just gonna put this one on the side. And talking about books, we're gonna move on to the next one. This is the book that I'm currently reading at the moment. This is the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This is the shortened version. This is like the condensed version of the book. And as you can see, it is in Spanish because actually my first language is Spanish, for those of you who don't know, because I was born here in Spain. So yeah, this one is just in Spanish. This is a pretty good book. It was banned from a lot of prisons. There are some things that are very, very interesting in this book, and I really, really like it. So yeah, this one I'll just put it on the side. And let's just go into the last item of this compartment. So this is the thing that I bought in order just to kill one of my biggest excuses when it comes to just creating content. So before buying this thing, I used to always say like, oh no, I cannot make videos. I don't have the right tripod. I cannot make videos because I don't have this and that. So it's just very, very convenient for me just to go use my iPhone, stick it onto here, not use any clamps, start filming, and when I'm done with it, just unplug it from here, and that's it. As simple as that. You don't need to worry about carrying any sort of gear, and it's just very, very easy for me to use. I think this thing just costs like 10 bucks or 20 euros, something like that. It's not really expensive. So yeah, this is one of the best additions that I have in my backpack, just in terms of content creation. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is on the next compartment. So which one do you want to open? The white one or the big one? I'll let you choose. Well, we'll open the white one. So inside of here, I have a couple of things that, to be honest, I don't really know what's inside of here, so I might get a surprise. Okay, so there's this thing with me that ever since I graduated high school, I have never spent a dime on a pen, okay? That's a rule of mine. I never spent money on pens. So that explains why I have a dozen of pens inside of my backpack, okay? This is pretty shameful. So let's see what I have inside of here. So these three ones are my favorites at the moment. These three pens are from Deloitte. So the other day, Deloitte came to my university in order to just give us some kind of speech and whatever. I honestly just went there for the pens and for the gifts that they were going to give us. Let's write something down. Ta-da! As you can see, I really like the way that they draw and the way that they write, just because of the way that I write on paper, and it just complements me very well. So yeah, I have three of these. Thank you, Deloitte, again for these ones. I really love them. I don't know if I'm gonna go work with you, but thank you for the pens. So these are the pens that I use, my trusty old pens, and because I'm that much of a lunatic, I always carry around extra pens because I'm too afraid of being stuck in an exam without any pens, because that happened once and I will not let it happen again. So yeah, I'm a bit of a lunatic. So these are the ones, the extra ones that I carry around with me. These are just normal ones, nothing special. So yeah, I'll just put it on the side. And this thing, this is a highlighter that I carry with me all the time. This is the highlighter because every time that I'm reading books, I like to highlight things. A lot of people just say that books shouldn't be highlighted and they should be kept virgin, they should be kept intact. I'm not one of those. I like to just take notes on my books. As you may have seen, I have a lot of things written in this book. I just write them down and I just destroy books, to be honest, because these are the books that I buy with my own money, and I'm not gonna give them to anyone, like hopefully, or just give them to friends of mine. And I would like to just get my ideas down and just to write down the things that are going on in my mind and some notes that I'm gonna take in this book. So yeah, I just don't mind it. And every single book that I read, I highlight the main ideas that I find interesting. So yeah, I always carry around one of these with me. The last compartment that I want to show you. Oh no, there's another one. Okay, that's my favorite one. I'll leave it for the last one. So inside of here, if I'm able to open this, because, okay, I got it. Inside of here are some of my favorite gadgets that I use. So this are my AirPods Pros. These, I think, are the best investment that I've made in terms of my university life and whatever, because these are the ones that have improved my productivity the most. Before these ones, I used to carry some Bose QC35s with me, like the silver color ones that you have seen in a couple of videos. So the main problem with those is that they were too big and they were too bulky in my backpack. So I decided to buy myself a pair of AirPods Pros. And at the time, I thought that, I don't know, some kind of AirPods for 200 and something euros. That's a lot of money, and yes, they are a lot of money. But I have been using this every single day for a lot of hours, and I think they are very, very well worth the money. And the next thing that I'm gonna show you are these two things right here. Okay, it's very, very common for my MacBook to run out of juice. And that's because it's a little bit old and of the processor that it uses. So if it was an M1 MacBook, which I had the M1 MacBook Air, the battery life was amazing. I love that thing. But since this MacBook was given to me by my school, I have to use this one because of all the software that they have inside of it. So I just have to carry this thing around with me all the time. And it's a little bit heavy, I have to be honest. But yeah, I just use it in order to charge my iPhone or my MacBook. Now that my iPhone uses USB-C, so that's a great one. Another essential that I carry with me every single time, every single day is this thing. This is a pack of Kleenex. I'm the kind of person who just has allergies all the time, all year long. I don't know why, I don't know what's the reason for it, I don't know how to stop it, but I just have allergies all year long. And then I have a runny nose, so every single time that I'm in class or I'm outside, I need a pack of Kleenex just to clean myself up. You don't want to be that guy who just cleans himself with his jumper or whatever. That's disgusting. Don't do that. Next thing that I use carry in my backpack, well, I don't really carry it in my backpack. I usually carry it in my just pants or just jacket and whatever. But this is my wallet. This is an essential that you need to carry around with you every single day. This one, I don't really remember where I bought it from, but this is something that I really like just because of the way that it organizes my cash. And there I have an option just to put my coins in there. I have been trying to find a replacement for this one, but I haven't really seen any. Like, this is the perfect size, this is the perfect everything for me, all right? And I just need a higher quality wallet that is this form factor, this system to organize my cash and my cards and everything, but a higher quality one. And I really haven't found any like this. So I'm just gonna stick with this one for as long as I can. And I have been using this for the last 5 years. So yeah, it's time for an upgrade. But since I haven't found anything like this, I'm just gonna stick with this one. We have seen almost all the compartments in my backpack. Okay, there's nothing left. So yeah, let's just go into my favorite part of this backpack. This is one of the main reasons why I use my Herschel Pop Quiz instead of my other backpacks. And it's because of this zipper right here, okay? Let me do an SMAR. So inside of here, the first thing that I'm gonna show you is this one. This is a polishing cloth that I have. This is very similar to the Apple one, and it's the best cloth that I have ever experienced in my life. I'm the kind of person who's a kind of lunatic who wants to have everything clean. Okay, my MacBook screen needs to be clean. If not, I'm not able to work. So this is the type of cloth that I use in order to clean my MacBook, and it works wonders. And inside of this pouch, I have 3 things that I carry with me all the time. And oh, if you didn't know, this little pouch here, it's meant for you to put your sunglasses in there, just because of the microfiber texture that it has. And I just really like it because of that. I could not exist without these 2 things. These are the glasses that I use, okay? As you might have seen in my other videos, I have to use prescription glasses just because I cannot see very good from far. And if you see me driving and I'm not wearing my glasses, there is a very high chance that I might crash into something. So yeah, this is the sunglasses. These are the sunglasses that I use on an everyday basis. So I just put my glasses on right now, okay? These are the glasses that I have, and I just put them on like this, because I cannot stand going outside without my sunglasses. I don't know, it's just something that I have gotten used to. So yeah, I just go outside with these things, and it's very convenient because I don't have to carry 2 pairs of glasses. I just put my sunglasses on, and that's it. I look cool. And then I just take them on and off. And these are the ones that I use every single time that the sun comes down. Okay, these are the ones that block the blue light, just because I tend to sleep pretty bad, and every single thing that can help me sleep better, I just do it, just because why not? And these are the things that I think that are helping me sleep better at the moment right now. This just block the blue light that come out from my screens, and yeah, it's just pretty, maybe it's a placebo effect, but it works, so why not? We're just gonna put them on the side. And another thing that I carry with me, these are sunglasses that I use. Like, I honestly don't know why I use them, just because I use prescription glasses. And with these things on, I can't really see anything. These are just dark tinted glasses, but I can't really see anything from the far. I don't know, they just look cool. I just like them. So yeah, if I'm not wrong, that was everything. Oh, that was a coin. If I'm not wrong, that was everything that is inside of my backpack. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel in order to see more content like this. And yeah, just remember, be patient because your prophecy is unfolding. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.